Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I just want to start off by saying I'm so sorry about my uploads recently. Last week I missed an upload on Wednesday, and then this week I missed an upload on Monday, and I'm almost missing an upload on Wednesday again because I feel like this video is going to be up really late. But as you might be able to tell, I've been ill for like a week now. Last week's video I actually missed because I was staying with my friends at university and I didn't have strong enough Wi-Fi to upload, and then as soon as I got home, like I think I picked up freshest flu or something. I was being sick, I've got a cold, sore throat, headache, cough, sniffly nose, literally every symptom you can think of an illness I have had over the past week. So yeah, as you could probably tell, wasn't really up to filming, and then on Monday I was feeling a little bit better again. I actually went and took part in the Jeffree Star Can't Relate tour, which was so insanely cool, and I do have a vlog of that which will be coming on my second channel. But on that day I was like, yeah, I'm feeling much better. After that day I was like, okay, I feel so much worse again. I feel like I just went back into things too quickly. But I really didn't want to miss another upload because that would be 3 uploads that I've missed, so coming at you today with a video. Also, if you're wondering about this makeup look right here, that will be coming soon. I did film this earlier on today, but today's video is going to be my first Halloween tutorial of the year. I mean, as you can probably tell by my t-shirt. I'm wearing Shane's merch. Obviously, I've been watching his series with Jake Paul. I mean, who hasn't? I love how when I used to watch Shane, people would be like, oh yeah, I don't really watch him. And they thought that I was a bit weird, that I was like going on about his videos so much. And now everyone is like, oh my god, have you seen Shane's new series? Like, everyone is watching Shane Dawson. And as soon as I saw the first bit of artwork that went with one of the videos, oh well, I'll put it on the screen, I just saw that and I thought it looked really cool, and it's very kind of similar to the unzipped face that a lot of people do for Halloween. So I thought I would take inspiration from that and do a Halloween tutorial. I'm not saying that for Halloween you should go as Jake Paul or you should go as a sociopath. That's not what I'm trying to get across here. I'm literally just taking inspiration from this artwork. I thought it looked really cool. You could even go that extra step and literally do this look and dress up as Jake Paul at the same time. Or you could dress up as Shane because he also has one here. Okay, so please forgive me if my makeup is not looking the best. It's been on for many hours. So I think what I'm gonna do, I mean, obviously it would probably be, well, I don't know if it would be easier, but I imagine that most people would probably start this without any makeup on at all. Because I've got my makeup on, I'm going to kind of work backwards, but what I would say to do, if you're starting with no makeup, I would say to kind of draw on your bare skin the area that you want to do the kind of darker grayed out bit. I'm using this white crayon, which is by Revolution Pro. And it's just called the Illustrator. It's literally just white, and I'm going to draw out on my face where I want to have the kind of grayed out bit. I think I'm going to do it on this side because this eyelash is falling off. Oh, that does not want to be drawn over top of my foundation. And then just going to take off my lashes. And then I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm just going to remove inside of this line. It would definitely be easier to do this starting with no makeup, by the way, but I'm just showing you what you can do if you're like me and you've got a full face of makeup on. I just thought it'd be quicker to film this way because I already had my makeup on, you know. I mean, to be honest, this already looks like a Halloween tutorial, just me removing my makeup. Imagine if this is the first video that somebody's watching of me. They're like, wow, she's a catfish. It'd be really great if my eyeliner would just come off. It's actually a lot harder than I anticipated to remove your makeup in like such a small concentrated area. And we're done! By the way, if you haven't watched any of Shane's videos, not even just his Jake Paul series, just any of his videos in general, honestly, he's so worth the hype. His videos are just incredible. I've watched him for so many years now and I just like, oh, he's just my favourite person in the whole world. This is literally like the power of makeup challenge. This is the palette that I'm mostly going to be using today. It's the Freedom SFX Ghost Stories kit. I think you can still get this on the Revolution website, but basically just any sort of white, grey and black cream makeup. Revolution do have another face paint kit this year, but it doesn't have a grey in it, so I think I'm mostly going to stick to this one even though it's like 2 years out of date. Actually, you know what, the white in this one looks kind of gross, so I think I'm going to use the white from this one. I'm just going to take the white on a flat foundation brush and I'm just going to fill in this whole area. Make sure you get it in those nose hairs. By the way, if you're also new to my channel, I'm not actually a makeup artist, but I just kind of do makeup on my channel and just like play around with it, but I know that this is not going to be the best tutorial in the world, but I'm doing my best. I'm then taking a precise brush, actually not that one, that's too big, and I'm going to take some black also from this palette here, and I'm just going to dip into some of that and just go around the edges to kind of create the shadow. And I'm just blending that inwards. I mean, to be fair, you don't really need a grey because the black and white kind of mix together to make grey. I mean, obviously that's an obvious thing, but... And I'm just trying to kind of blend that all together. I'm basically just going to keep adding that until I feel like it looks decent enough. Does my neighbour like want to not? Oh, they actually stopped. Is my window open? I'm then going to take a black eyeshadow from my palette with Revolution, and I'm just gonna again go around the edges, and I'm just taking a brow brush and I'm dipping into the shade Reputation, which is black, and I'm just gonna go around the edges of this just to really neaten it up and make it even more dark and shady. And in these little bits that stick out more, I'm going to be doing more shading because there would be more shading there. Okay, I'm then just going to go back in with the foundation brush. I'm just going to kind of blend that all together. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, just to make it look a little bit more like three-dimensional, is I'm going to take a kind of skin coloured eyeshadow, but that's a bit darker than my skin. So I'm taking this one, which is called Cookie Dough. Actually, wait, maybe I should set this because I feel like it's going to go everywhere. Yeah, then like I was saying, I'm just taking that kind of darker than my skin shaded eyeshadow. What? I can't speak. And I'm just going to go around leaving a little gap, but I'm just doing a little bit of shading. And then I'm going to kind of do the same thing, but add some highlights with the white. Okay, that looks kind of bad, but oh well, whatever. Oh, I did the highlights in the wrong place. Yeah, I definitely did the highlights in the wrong place, but whatever, I feel like it looks okay. And then the final stage, I'm gonna try and do a bit of a zip. Not too sure how I'm gonna do this, but we'll give it a try. So I'm just taking the same eyeliner brush that I used before, and the zip he's only done up to like the nose. I'm just gonna draw some little lines coming out from underneath. Oh, I can't draw an actual zip on my face. What was I thinking? How does one draw a zip? Firstly, let's go back to this and just add some little white details above each of the zippy things. Is it too late to back out and not do the zip? Luckily, the zip bit is under my chin, so no one can really see it. So let's just leave that there. Look at my hand. Damn, I should have done it on this side. I can make myself smile on one side here. Let's add in a few more shadows just to make myself look a bit more, I don't know, sad. Okay, I think that is the best that I can do. This is the picture. This is my face. I know I've done it the other way around, but I feel like it looks pretty cool. Like, it looks kind of weird. I mean, it's not the best, but I think for Halloween it would still look pretty cool if you wanted to try and do something that still has half of your like glamorous face and then this kind of like weird section of your face that looks kind of gross. Oh no, I've just added more and I think I've ruined it. I'm kind of happy with it. I think it still looks pretty kind of weird and cool-ish. Okay, so here's a little close-up. I really messed it up at the end there by trying to add in more. But yeah, let's not pay too much attention to that zip, which looks like a penis. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I know that it's definitely not the best thing I've ever done, but I'm kind of proud of it. I think it still looks pretty cool. If you have any other like Halloween suggestions, let me know. Also, if you're not watching Shane's series, what are you doing? Like, go and watch it now. I think he's got another one up tonight. Oh no, wait, I think he might have delayed it till Thursday. Damn it, I thought it was today. Question of the day comes from Abigail Porter, and she said, could you possibly do some eyeshadow looks with the Emily Edit palettes, please? Well, this look on my eyes right here, and what I did have on the other eye earlier, that is coming very soon, and I was using the Emily Edit palettes. And she also said, are you likely to do an Invisalign experience video? In my most recent vlog on my second channel, which is Soph Does Vlogs, I talked a bit about my Invisalign. If I do end up doing a full video on it, it will probably be over on my second channel, but I talked a lot about it in my most recent vlog, so maybe go have a look there. As always, if you guys want to leave me a question, leave it down below with the hashtag question of the day, and I might answer it in my next video. I'm gonna go now because I'm really losing my voice. I need to go edit this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!